Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are in the community of Trillium, which is in Richmond, Texas. This beautiful home that we are viewing is built by Taylor Morrison. It is called the Cadenza. The Cadenza is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, and it is a little over 2,000 square feet. The starting price is going to be in the mid $400,000 range. The schools that are zoned to this particular community are James Patterson Elementary, William B. Travis High School, and David Crockett Middle School. If you have any questions regarding this home, this builder, or even this community, drop them in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly tours. Enjoy the rest of your tour.